Hi collectors! Today I want to show you what I believe is the most valuable Kyosho Porsche blind box diecast to collect. The 1978 911 Turbo 3.3 liter, codenamed 930. Both in terms of its classic design and build quality, this 930 is a standout model in Kyosho's 164th Porsche diecast series. As the final Porsche blind box series, Porsche Minicar Collection 6 perfectly reproduces the iconic 930. From the angle of the headlights, the front fenders, and the rectangle side mirrors to the fastback roofline, rear fenders, and the wheel-tail spoiler, Kyosho has masterfully captured the classic wide body of the 930. The classic silver paint is very smooth and flat, although a slight orange peel effect can be seen upon close inspection. The highly opaque silver finish makes it look fine from a distance. The black paint on the trim is clean with no bleed, and even the tiny door handles are painted precisely. The fog lights and the turn signals on the bumper, as well as the side turn signals on the front fenders, are all neatly applied. The excellent build quality further highlights the superior shape. The panel lines on the front hood, bumper, fuel cap, and the doors are all very sharp. The transparent parts for the headlights, taillights, and windows are clear, though the headlight mounting pegs are a bit of an eyesore. The surfaces are flat and lack the prism details of the rear headlights. The Porsche crest and the turbo lettering on the rear are printed quite clearly. The wheels are made of rubber with a tire tread pattern. While they don't have separate brake disc parts, the wheel spokes are reasonably sharp. As a blind box product, this 930's interior is plain black with no color separation, but the details are still sharp, making it a great candidate for customization. The chassis details are somehow basic, but a screw-based assembly allows collectors to easily disassemble the model for interior painting. This 930 is from the 6th Porsche Minicar collection in 2015. Besides the silver version, it also came in red, white, and a rare black secret variant. There's also the 1975 930 3.0 from the first Porsche Minicar collection in 2005, but its build quality is nowhere near this 3.3 liter version. This is reflected in their prices on the secondary market. Despite the price difference, I still highly recommend the superior 3.3 liter version, which I believe is a top choice in the Kyosho's Porsche Minicar collection. What do you think of this Porsche 911 Turbo? If there are any other Porsche models you'd like to see, please leave a comment below and I'll make a video about it if I happen to have one. That's all for today. Until our next encounter.